Welcome to my channel once again.
Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu.
Python program to perform functions demo. Def my function def name colon print def name plus and references. So my function email, my function Tobias, my function Linus. So Python funds.py email references, Tobias references, Linus references. So write a Python program to perform a factorial of a given number. N is equal to int of input of enter value of n. Fact is equal to 1 for I in range. I 1 comma n plus 1 colon. Fact is equal to fact into I. Print factorial I equal to fact. It will print. Then Python class. Class is a collection of objects. Object is a physical entity or real-time entity. A class is a user-defined blueprint or prototype from which objects are created. Classes are provided means of bundling data and functionality together. Class name statement, object is equal to class name, Python of object.attribute. Classes are created by keyword class. Attributes are the variable that belongs to a class. Attributes are always public and can be accessed using the dot or operator, myClass.myAttribute. Demo for class declaration in Python, class person, this is a person class. Age is equal to 10, def greet equal to self, colon, that is a constructor, print hello. Print person.age, print person.greet, person underscore. You are getting this is a person class. Create a car class with operations and print method information. So this is we are printing car operations. Okay, so like this car is a black sedan, this car is a white sedan. So we are declaring the class and followed by the operations. Then write a Python program for the class concept. We are using the class name is a dog. Functions like init, bark, dog info. It will print Woozy is a 2 years old, Skippy is a 12 years old, Philo is 8 years old. Then write a Python program to find the oldest person inside the ages of dictionary. So ages John 34, Math 23, Natasha 27, Gabriella 30. So it will print John by using this logic. Then Python exceptions. An exception is an event which occurs during the execution of program that disputes the normal flow of the program's instructions. Python script encounters a situation that it cannot cope up with. It raises an exception. An exception is a Python object that represents an error. The try block let us test a block of code for errors. The except block lets you handle the error. The else block lets you execute code when there is no error. The finally block lets you execute code regardless of the results of try and except block. See, Python exceptions, when an error occurs or exception as well as call it, Python will normally stop and generate an error message. These exceptions can be handled using try statement. The try block will generate an exception because X is not try colon print of X, except colon print an exception occurred. So like this, it is printing the output value. Python file operations. A file is a container in computer storage device used for storing data. When we want to read from or write to file, we need to open it. First, when we are done, it needs to be closed so that resources that are tied with the files are free. Hence, in Python, a file operation takes places in following order. Open a file, read a file, close the file. So reading files in Python, after open the file, we use read method to read and its contain, for example, okay. So this file I am going to C file is equal to open C / users / Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu / test.txt or mode read underscore content file1.read print read content. Like this we are printing. Anonymous functions means lambda. A lambda function is a small function. It can take care, it can any number of arguments, but it can only have one expression. Lambda space arguments colon expression. Write a Python program to add a 10 to argument A and return the result. X is equal to lambda A colon A plus 10. That means 5 plus 10. It will print 15. Then write a Python program for lambda function def my function n colon return lambda equal to a colon a star n, means how many times you are declaring. So it will print n value is supplying 2. 2 multiplied by 2 means 4. Print my doubler 2 means 4 it will print. Write a Python program for lambda function. So I am declaring variables like 2 and 3. It will print a colon a star n 2 multiplied by 2 4. Then 3 multiplied by 3 9. It will print. So with this one I have completed basic Python programming and advanced Python programming like libraries we are using. NumPy. NumPy means numerical Python. It will perform all multi-dimensional arrays and masked arrays. All numeric operations you can perform. Then examples you can perform. Then Python sheet sci-fi scientific Python. It is used for mathematical data visualization data. Then Pandas is one of the library where whenever you are dealing with the data set and databases, we are using Pandas library. We can find a number of rows, a number of columns, average value, maximum value, minimum value by using Pandas. Then these are the examples. You can import Pandas as PD, import NumPy as NP, and define you can DEF. Okay, so equal to PD dot read underscore CSV. So you can declare a student dot CSV. Then it will print order ID. Okay, wherever you are keeping it. Then site